don't even know what instrument this is either. We're going to look on 1896. So big shout out to Leon. La 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 long way. We got these dynamics all twisty. It'll clip the sub and the other bass together. Yes, OTT, let the bass through. Now we need a tail.
Ride with us, vibe with us.
We're gonna make another wide layer, but this time add Yo Man on it. Yo Man wide layer. Yo Man, Yo Man, Yo Man. Yo Man. Yo Man. With this.
Электромузыкальный инструмент терминвокс – это первый инструмент такого типа. Первый инструмент такого типа. Первый инструмент такого типа. Голосовой инструмент. Голосовой инструмент.
The fourth drip battle. Well, let's go ahead and get it done. Higher than the drop. The Fat Lady drip battle number 4. Let's get it done. See what we got.
Электромузыкальный инструмент терминвокс – это первый инструмент такого типа. Голосовой инструмент.
Hey. Yeah. That's sick. Cool. Got a nice beat here. I kind of felt like rapping. The Fat Lady in the drip battle 4 ain't acting shady. Alright, we're done. Good job. Number 2. Bailed on first attempt and just made this thing. Ooh, little SpongeBob getting a little bit stony.
Магнитное поле около инструмента.
Oh. That's some SpongeBob drumming pants. You know?
Brother,
That really is. That was cool. Very cool. Very nice. Let's go ahead and check out Random JW. Whoa. Salute to all my soldiers. Oh, dude, that's a lot of energy. No. Lots of energy. That was cool submission. EU 126 by Earthwokker. Uh-oh. Hey, yo, girl. I want you to come in here. We're about to go groove. Hold up. Oh. No. Whoa. This is supposed to be 45 seconds, dog. This is 2 minutes. This ain't a full song. 45 seconds, man. That's in the rules. The rules are right here. Drip battle rules, 45 seconds. We can pick a random 45 seconds. We're going to pick random 45 seconds right here. Seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. You're lucky I like that groove. I like those house vibes, man. I was in such a groove, man. I was dancing. Haha, okay is up next by Simon. Let's go.
I can't believe that we're here right now.
Just shut up for like a minute. Shut up.
Okay. That's incredible. We do. Incredible.
That's incredible. That's incredible.
Incredible. That's incredible. I can't believe that we're here right now.
Just shut up for like a minute.
Oh, no way it just looped like that. Cool. Good job. That's Simon with haha. Okay. Drip battle number 4, Theremin by Dripment. Run it.
Электромузыкальный инструмент термин Vox — это первый инструмент такого типа. Первый инструмент такого типа. Первый инструмент такого типа. Музыкальный инструмент. Голосовой инструмент.
Man, you know what it is. I trip and I drink. Hey! Thank you, guys. All right, guys. We're going to let this cook up in the Discord. Thank you guys so much for submitting. And you guys, Earthwokker and Execution, came in hot. Thank you very much for entering the competition, guys. Remember, we're going to be doing this every Friday. I do 1v1 lessons too if you guys need like deep learning experiences via Zoom. See you guys later. Keep it real all day.
Loving night.